are mad, Prince Charming. Who are you mad at?
No, I'm Prince Charming.
What's your horse's name?
No, Prince Charming.
Your horse's name's Prince Charming?
No, Brock Prince Charming.
Yes, Brock is Prince Charming. But what's your horse's name?
No. He's a horsey.
He is a horsey. Are you mad?
Yeah.
Who are you mad at? Who are you mad at?
No, I'm Prince Charming.
I know you're Prince Charming, but who are you mad at, Prince Charming? Where are you going? Where are you going?
No, I'll get my sword.
Alright, get your sword.
Okay.
Are you going to go get the princess? Are you going to go get the princess? Brock, are you going to go get the princess?
No. I'm Charming.
Oh, yes, you're Charming.
Oh.
Are you going to go slay the dragon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where's the dragon?
I don't know.